Hello and welcome to Programming Rush. Today in this video we are going to learn to check whether a string is palindrome or not in C++. So what is a palindrome string? A palindrome string, we can take an example as madam. So if we start from left it says madam, and if we start from right it also says madam. So a palindrome string is same if we start whether from left or right. Another example where maybe ma'am, so it is also same whether we start from left or right. Now take an example here as code. Code is not a palindrome string because if we start from left it says code, but if we start from right it is other word. We can take another example as rush. So rush is also not a palindrome string because if we start from left it says rush, but if we start from right it does not says rush. So in this example, in this video we will check whether a string is palindrome or not. So first we will take input, which is our algorithm. First we will take input here as s, then we will create a new string and reverse this original string s and check whether both the strings are same or not. If same, then the string is palindrome. If not, then the string is not palindrome. So if we get madam and if we reverse and also we get madam, both are equal, that means they are palindrome. But if we say rush and then we are going to write something like rush, so these are not equal, that means the strings are not the string is not a palindrome if the strings are not equal. So we are going to create here a function bool check pal. This function will return true if the string is palindrome and return false if the string is not palindrome. This function will take an input string s or input, and then we are going to create a new string reverse, and initialize it as an empty string. Now for reversing this string we are going to create a for loop which is going to start from the position 0 because the string start from 0 index. So we are going to start the for loop from 0 up till the size of the input string. So we will write input dot size, and then the reverse string will be as the character at the ith position. So the input I plus the original string reverse means the old previous string reverse. So how this code for loop is going to work? Let us tell that our input is equals to madam. The reverse is initialized to empty. Now the first character is added as m, then our input for loop again runs, then the input at ith position means one position is a, so it is appended at first, prepended, then the d is prepended, then a, then m. So our code works similarly. Now if we take another example of wait yeah, if this input string is rush, then first our r character will be added, then u, then s, then h. So we are getting successfully a reverse string. So our reverse string will be reverse of the input string using this for loop. Now and last we are going to return whether the reverse string is equal to the input string or not. If it is equal, then this will return true, otherwise it will return false. Now let us come here and run a if loop, and if loop will check the check means pass the string s to it, and and this function is going to return true. So this code will be executed, where we are going to return the string is palindrome. String is palindrome. I think it is single. Otherwise, the string is not palindrome. Easy. So first our string is we are taking an input string, then we are calling the checkpal function. The checkpal function will create a new string reverse, then this for loop will execute where we will reverse this string by adding every character before the reverse string, and then finally we are going to return whether the reverse string is equals to input string or not. If equal, then true, otherwise false. So let us now execute this code to check whether the string is, our example is correct or not, means code is correct or not. So let us write here, madam, the string is palindrome. So our code is correct. Let us check with another example. Let's write here code which is not a palindrome. The string is not palindrome. We are getting the same output, means correct output. Now again we are running for a third example. Let us pass a single character p. The string is palindrome. So a single character is also palindrome because it is same whether from left or right. So thank you for seeing this video. If you need this code is available in the description. Make sure you check it and like the video if you like this tutorial. Subscribe Programming Rush and see you in the next video. Thank you.